We're taking a look at this Trail Runner 255 RL, really spacious travel trailer, 26 feet 9 inches, just over 5,600 pound shipping weight, so something a little more lightweight for you. Plenty of room though, so we'll take a look at all the details and the outside as well. Like I said, you have plenty of space in here. Lots of lighting coming through because you have nice big windows, so it helps open up the space some. Huge open floor space down below. Your kitchen area is sectioned off right here, so you have a little bit of counter prep space there. Nice little accent and backsplash there. Stainless steel sink, drawer space down below. We have your oven, 3-burner cooktop, and microwave up top. Then you're gonna have cabinet space here. One thing I like about the Trail Runners is this light interior, and then you have this little etched design here on the glass. Nice little accent that gives it a good look. Over here we have a stainless steel 10 cubic foot fridge. It's gonna run on 12 volts. Then you have a booth dinette here, so plenty of additional seating. That's gonna convert into another bed for you. Huge windows, like I said, you do have the blackout shades on there. And then here in the rear, you're gonna have this little sofa area, which you see how nicely it's just sitting there with these little couch side tables. You got open storage there. That'll give you an extra bed as well. And then you have a little bit of overhead storage here. One of my favorite features here is the entertainment section. So you got your TV built right into there. Overhead shelf storage. You're gonna have this little open space there if you wanted to add a console into there because you don't have a DVD player in your radio control, but your radio control is right here. Then you have storage down below. So you have this space here. And then my favorite part, we're just gonna unlatch this, and you have extra storage right behind your TV here. I think it's a pretty cool design, just something a little extra. And we'll step into your bathroom. So you have a nice walk-through bathroom here into your master bed. Plenty of space around here to maneuver around. You have your sink here in the corner. Medicine cabinet up top, a nice big window here, which of course you can put that shade down for privacy. And then you have a foot flush toilet down below. Shower tub combo here. And you have corner shelves on both sides, which is really neat because then you can have this whole space down below. And you have some towel hooks there, and that'll lead us to your bedroom. So you got a queen size bed. You'll have some storage under there. We'll take a look at that. Then you have the shelf overhead. Nice little accented wall again. On the side here, you're gonna have hanging closet storage, which you can access through here. So if you want, you can put your CPAP machine in here out of the way. You have a couple of outlets there. You also have these built-in charging ports, which is really convenient. You can just put your phone on there and it's gonna charge it. You also have a secondary entrance directly into your bedroom. So that's really convenient. And then you got TV mount up top. And we'll step outside and take a look at everything else.